Welcome to a new fragrance review. Today we're going to try Tahitian Waters by English Laundry. So usually I show the bottle first, but I think this one showing the box first is the better idea. So here's what it looks like. There's a little bit, there's some kind of foam inside of it to make it look less flat. Here at the back. Nothing interesting at the back. And when I open it, here's what it looks like. I think the presentation is really nice, especially for the price it is and the usual quality it has. Though I think sometimes they put more money in the presentation than the stuff inside. But anyway, it's the bottle. Super reflective, super silvery. I'm gonna try to show it to you without reflection. It's just a normal plain silver at the back and nothing interesting at the bottom. The cap. I think actually it's the first time that I really have an English Laundry bottle in my hands. It's in the first one I reviewed. I had some samples, but as a real bottle, I think it's the first one. The cap looks really cheap. It's kind of heavy. There's something inside of it, but the outside is some cheap plastic. It's already like cheap glues on the side or something. That's about it. So let's try the smell. Give a lot of citrus, lime, good amount of bergamot. A little bit of orange, but barely. I'm not sure even I would be able to see that there's orange if I would not be looking at the note breakdown there. Picking up some coconut. It's more like coconut water. We have some ylang ylang and jasmine. And there's a bit of sweetness at the back. And you see there's brown sugar there, but I don't think it's brown sugar I'm picking out. I think it's all those notes. There's sweetness to it. And that's just what I'm picking up. Maybe the brown sugar note contribute to this, but I'm not sure. On my skin. Picking up a lot of coconut, good amount of lime, a little bit of bergamot, a little bit of orange, good amount of cedar, and a little bit of brown sugar. And the coconut on my skin smell a lot like coconut husk. I wouldn't say it's like that on paper. The heart notes, picking up a lot of cedar, good amount of brown sugar, a little bit of jasmine, a little bit of ylang ylang. And in the base notes, I was picking up a good amount of sugar, or brown sugar, and a little bit of cedar. Projection was really good. A good 6 feet around me, people were able to pick it up, and the longevity was really great, over 12 hours. And even though it's like a good projection, I don't think it's like sickeningly synthetic. It doesn't smell natural at all, but it doesn't have like that sickening synthetic smell that some fragrance will have, especially those sweet fragrances. So for the complete no breakdown, top notes are coconut, lime, bergamot, and orange. Heart notes are ylang ylang and jasmine, and the base notes are brown sugar and cedar. And where would see this fragrance? I don't think it will be a good business fragrance. It's really laid back, but somehow I feel in summer on like the happy hours or the 5 à 7, like we say Quebec, like if you're having some kind of business meeting like that, that would work. I think it would work, especially in summer. But apart from that, I don't think it's a good business fragrance. As a dating fragrance, I think it's a good one. I've been wearing it and my wife loved it. It does smell nice. Like it's fresh, a little bit of coconut, a little bit of sweetness to it. It's not like too crazy or any side. It's not like those cheap, fresh fragrance that's super boring or those nasty, sweet fragrance that smell like all the other fragrance. It's nice and it's well made. And for that brand, it's amazing. I used to think all fragrance from that brand was super synthetic and disgusting. This one is, well, it's synthetic, but it's not disgusting. And the summer winter spectrum, I think, even though it project like crazy, I think it would be pretty good in summer. You might have to calm down on the spray a little bit, but I think it will work well. And in winter, now it's getting hotter, still winter, but I'm not sure it will be really good in winter, but it won't be bad either. The smell, though, it's more like typically summery. So you do what you want with it, like citrus, coconut. Usually it's a summery type of smell, but you wear it when you want. And as an everyday scent, it's a really great scent. It's nice, clean, and fresh, what you're looking for. It lasts the whole day. It's cheap, can get you compliment. It's a really great scent for an everyday fragrance. Actually, it's a really nice, versatile fragrance. It's more laid back a little bit, but it's a nice everyday fragrance, and it's a nice fragrance for pretty much any occasion, which means it's not the best fragrance for anything, but it's a good fragrance for everything. So it might be the best fragrance to go on vacation. So in the end, I'm really surprised with this. It's a great scent, especially for the brand. It's the best scent I've sent from them, at least the only good one I smelled. I'd be interested to give a try to some of their other fragrance. So write in the comment if there's any other fragrance I'm missing out on them. Tell me which one they are. Hope you enjoyed the video. If it's the case, like and share. And in the comment, tell me which fragrance from English Laundry is really good. I should give it a try. But also tell me which fragrance from a brand you really dislike, surprised you, and was actually good. So thanks for watching, and see you soon.